Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue time is not correct on Android TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First you go to settings. Select the settings icon from top right corner. Go to device preferences. Set date and time. So here you can see automatic date and time. Select it. If you want to sync date and time zone from internet, you can select this first option. Select this first option. TV will automatically take current date, time and time zone from internet. If you don't want to use that, you can turn off that option. Then you can manually set date and time here. You can manually set date and time. Date, then here we can manually set time. Okay. So later if you want to enable automatic date and time, you can select this first option, then select use network provided time. Then it will automatically you can see it automatically selected date and time from internet. So this way we can fix time is not correct issue. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.